planarian. It's a flatworm.
Yeah, you can see it. It's very, very thin.
It's fat, not thin.
Did you get this off the...
It's a flatworm.
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
Did this all come out of your pond water?
Yeah.
Is that it? Is that it?
That's it. This is much better picture too. Look at that. Jerry found a gorgeous flatworm.
What's that black thing?
It's eye spots. Very simple animal with only one opening on its underside. Ben found one, and you can see its pharynx.
You're bony.